Bologna is the city of towers, but only about 20 of the 100 that were here in the past have remained. Bologna is also called the Little Venice because of its canals that are now covered and flow underground. Bologna is waiting for UNESCO recognition for its 40 kilometers of arcades, and it has the oldest university in the world. Moreover, Bologna is the capital of food and gastronomy, with thousands of places where it's possible to eat and drink downtown. If you come here for Valentine's weekend, you absolutely have to sleep one night in a tower. Kiss your beloved one at the window in Via Piella. Take a stroll around the city center and eat a good gelato or have a fantastic dinner. Let's ask to Monica and Barbara of Try and Taste cooking classes what is the Bolognese menu for Valentine's Day.
Hi Cecilia, hi everyone. Today we are going to prepare potato gnocchi with cheeses, but I would like to show you also a different shape on occasion for Valentine's Day that will be in today's time. So, start.
Gnocchi is made with potatoes and all-purpose flour. I boiled the potatoes in advance and I mashed them in a potato masher. Now we combine the flour with the potatoes. At the beginning seems a crumble, but after will be a dough. The gnocchi dough is ready, but I would like to do a Valentine's Day magic. So, 3, 2, 1. This is the gnocchi dough made with tomato, and so we use both color. Okay, we cut the dough, put flour, and we roll. And we cut. I had to use gnocchi tools to make it. I take the gnocco and with the thumb roll the dough in the gnocchi tool in order to obtain the ridges to hold better the sauce. We roll gently. So this is a classic gnocchi, and now we cut a heart shape for Valentine's Day. This is a heart cookies cutter, and we put this gnocchi on a tray. Okay, we had to use the rolling pin to make the dough. We stretch it, some flour, and now we have to cut. Okay, this is our heart gnocchi. It's like make cookies. Okay, we put in a tray, we stretch the red one. We use the rolling pin very gently. Okay, and now we cut the heart. We put on the tray. Gnocchi are ready to be cooked. In a saucepan over a medium heat, we put cream. We add milk. We add cheese. You can choose the cheese you prefer. And we have to wait for the cheese to melt. When the salted water boils, we put the gnocchi. The cheese is melted. We add Parmigiano grater. We add more milk. When gnocchi rise to the top, cook for 1 more minute. Gently remove them, drain, and put them in the pan sauce. We cook for more 1 minute and the gnocchi is done.
So, I have to complete the dish with a red wine sauce that I prepare in advance. I put some drops and some Parmigiano. Here the gnocchi with cheeses and the red wine sauce. And as usual, I have to taste it. Very good. And the wine sauce is perfect to the gnocchi cheese. See you next Friday. Bye everyone, and cheers!